Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96.8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. Top reviews from the United States. It works like it says. The only thing bad I have to say about this is that I wish they made the opening for the screen up too instead of down in the middle lower half. When driving messing with a touch screen you don't want to have to look right down, you would rather look right up so our eyes are still half on road half on radio. Other than that it's a perfect fit.